Hello and welcome to this review of the Havit TW958 Pro wireless earbuds. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you why you should get these earbuds and probably why you also shouldn't. My name is Peter Alawode and I'm a video editor and tech enthusiast based in Lagos, Nigeria. And without wasting much of your time, let us jump straight into the review. I'm going to be reviewing these earbuds under three main characteristics, and that is price, design, and performance. The price telling us how cheap or expensive it is, the design explaining how it fits into your everyday use, and the performance itself, which is exactly how well does it do the job it's supposed to do. So starting off with the price, this earbud goes for just 25,000 Naira. For that price range, it is in the middle when it comes to earbuds. The most expensive earbuds I've probably seen on the Nigerian market that are not made by big companies like Apple, it goes for probably around 60, 70,000 Naira. So being priced at around that range, it is not on the low bottom 12,000, 11,000 earbuds that are just, gonna waste your time. And it is not also on the expensive side, but it does do the job perfectly. On the design, I have my reservations. I like it and I also don't like it for some reasons. Why do I like it? I like it because it comes into colors, black or white. I am a black person, and it also has this cap that is really amazing that it is put up close. But I don't like the fact that this shape is like the go-to shape for a lot of earbuds. I would have preferred something to be different. There's an Aramo earbuds that is circular in nature and slides up, something just to make it look different than the regular. However, there's also one main reason that I do not like this earbud on the design base. When you open it up, it's quite difficult to remove the earbuds because the two of them are so close to each other. When you try to remove it, you need to, use your two fingers and pull it by the edge and then take it out. And sometimes it even slips off from actually while I'm doing so. If you've also had earbuds that you find it difficult to remove them, please let me know in the comment section which model of earbuds it was. If it was a different design, maybe opening at the top, like the Oppo earbuds I had before this, that I just opened it at the top and there's a lot of space on to individually take out each earbud. But this one, you can see how difficult it is, and the magnet at the bottom again is also fighting with the earbuds for me. It wants to stay in the case, so it's a little bit difficult for me to pull it out, and I don't really like that about the design. You could argue that it helps it stay in place when you're removing it, and then it's so easily going to fall off. But at the same time, you want to use your earbuds and you have to go through the stress just to remove it. Before I go into the performance, don't forget to hit the like button so that this video can get to a lot of people who are interested in seeing it. And you can also subscribe for more videos like this. On the performance, now the audio quality, I would say, is brilliant. Yes. There's a song that I listened to, Salif Keita's Yama, and it was with this earbud I had, some certain bass lines for the very first time. I've used a lot of other audio devices to listen to that song, and I've never been able to pick up on that part until I used this earbud. So the sound quality is actually brilliant for the price range, 20 to 25,000 Naira. But you could also argue that on the performance level, they were able to not get something correctly. And that is the fact that as this earbud is here, there is no way you can increase or reduce the volume from the earbud itself. So let's say you have it on your ear. Most earbuds, when you hold down on it, the volume increases or decreases depending on either the left or the right ear. But for this one, when you hold down on it, it forwards to the next music on the right ear. When you do so on the left ear, let me do it for you now, so that you can see. It goes back to the previous song, or it goes to the beginning of the song if you are already like in the middle of it. So it does not have a way for you to increase or reduce the volume from the earbuds, and that's something that for the performance, it's like, why? Of all things that I could have been able to do. That's something that pushed me to it when I wanted to make the purchase, which is the fact that it can connect to two phones at the same time. So let's say someone like me that I have two phones, and then my phone A has my SIM card in it, and phone B is seamless and it's just using Wi-Fi to work. And then you probably calling me on my SIM card phone. With this earbud, I can easily pick up the call on that phone, and then I still know that I can have my discussion on on that phone while still connected to my other phone. Not that you're playing to music on two different devices at the same time, but it allows you the ability to pick up your call from any phone that is coming from, as regards to some phones, that some earbuds that can only connect to just one phone at the same time. So that's one big plus of this. And then it also has this button at the back, which is a reset button. So let's say you want to reset it back to when you first bought it. When you hold on it for about 5 seconds, the earbud loses connection of every previous device, and then you're able to reconnect to it with another device. So what's my final verdict? On the price, I'll give it a solid 2/3. Once again, 3 belongs to God. It could be slightly cheaper, but it's perfectly priced. Let's continue to ourselves. On the design, it's also getting a 2.5. You should have gotten a 3 if I can easily reload it. And on the performance, I'll give it a 2/3 also. So that leads us to 6.5/10. So what's my final take for this earbuds? Should you get it if your budget is between 30,000 naira and less and you want quality? Yes. But remember, you cannot increase or reduce your volume unless you pull out your phone. But if you are looking to get something slightly more better than it and you have more money, then I think you should go for a different option. But for the price range, 20 to 5,000 naira, that's what you can afford. This is definitely a steal. If you watch this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate your presence here. Do be sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you plan on getting this earbud very soon. Do you have any other questions about it that I probably didn't talk about during the review, and I'll be glad to answer once you put them down in the comment section. And until I see you guys again, it will be.